Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I am going to show you how to make the very tasty and everybody's favorite chicken shawarma easily at home. Watch the video till end guys. I am also going to show you how to make the shawarma bread along with the tahini sauce and grilled chicken. If you are first time watching my channel or still not subscribed, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification and select all so that you will receive all the notifications. Let's start. The ingredients for the grilled chicken are 500 grams of boneless chicken breast fillets, half lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garam masala spices powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder and half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I will give all the ingredients list in the description below. Take a big bowl, put all the ingredients except oil, mix well until well combined and then apply this marination to the chicken fillets. Now cover the lid and put this in the refrigerator for 40 minutes to marinate. Meanwhile, let's go make the shawarma bread. The ingredients are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 11 grams of instant yeast, approximately 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 cup of lukewarm water. You can also use milk instead of lukewarm water. Take a bowl. Put the warm water and the salt and sugar and the melted butter. Now add the yeast. Mix one time. Now cover the lid. Let it sit for 5 minutes. See guys, after 5 minutes the yeast completely dissolved. Now add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now mix well and knead into a soft dough. Sprinkle some water if needed. Like this guys. Now cover this with a kitchen towel and keep aside for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's go prepare the salad. Cut the cucumber into thin slices as shown. Now cut them again into long strips like this. In the same way, cut the carrot and cabbage also. It's 40 minutes ready guys. Now let's go grill the chicken. Take a pan, put 3 tablespoons of oil on it. Spread the oil equally all over the pan. Now place the chicken fillets on the pan and grill them on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken perfectly cooked from both sides. Guys, the chicken roasted nicely from both sides. Now turn up the flame and take the chicken onto a plate. Now let's go make the tahini sauce. The ingredients are 4 to 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is homemade mayonnaise, guys. You can see this recipe in my previous videos. I'll also share this recipe link in the description below. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of oregano. This is completely optional. You can skip. Half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 6 garlic cloves chopped. I'll give all the ingredients list in the description below. Now take a mixer jar, put all the ingredients. Grind this into a fine paste like this, guys. That's all, guys. The tahini sauce is ready. See, guys, the grilled chicken, tahini sauce and salad are ready, and the dough also doubled in size. Now deflate the dough. Sprinkle some flour on a clean and flat surface. Now take this dough, knead it for 2 minutes as shown. Divide this dough into 8 equal parts. Now roll them into thin round shapes as shown. See, guys, like this. Now put this on a hot pan. Put the flame on medium, guys. Make sure the pan should be hot. Let it cook completely from the bottom. You can see bubbles forming. Now flip it over. Now press as shown. See, guys, it started puffing up. Now press gently as shown. Now flip it over again. That's all, guys. The shawarma bread is ready. Take it onto a serving plate. In the same way, cook the remaining breads also. See, guys, how soft and perfect they are. I will cut and show you, guys. See how they open up like a pocket. See how soft they are. Take a big bowl. Put 1 chopped onion and the cucumber, carrot and cabbage. Mix everything. You can also add tomato slices if you want. Keep this aside. Now take the chicken. Cut the chicken into long strips as shown. Now put a parchment paper on a plate and put the shawarma bread. Apply 1 tablespoon of tahini sauce. Now apply 1 teaspoon of chili sauce on it as shown. Now put handful of salad in the center as shown. Now put the chicken pieces as shown. Finally put 1 teaspoon of tahini sauce on the top as shown. If you want, you can loosen this tahini sauce by adding some oil, guys. Now fold this as shown. I am using a toothpick to hold it firmly. That's all, guys. The very tasty and delicious, everybody's favorite chicken shawarma is ready. Hope you guys like this recipe. You also try this recipe at your home and let me know how it came in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.